A key pain point for many clubs is money. Managing club finances and covering costs can be a real challenge, especially when you are relying on the goodwill of busy volunteers. One key way to source additional income is through sponsorship. In this video, we'll explain some of the key steps you can take to attract sponsors and provide examples of the different kinds of sponsorships that could work for your club. So, what is sponsorship? It could be anything from a goodwill donation from a local coffee shop to a local business providing financial backing in return for their logo on your kit. Let's imagine the process of getting a sponsor as a timeline. Step 1. Research. Before you approach anyone, you need to have a solid understanding of your club and the people around it, both its supporters and any volunteers or staff that keep things running. Think age, background, interests. This will help you highlight your value to any potential sponsors. Next, you'll need to do research on any business you want to approach. Visit their website and read everything you can so you understand their values and objectives. When trying to attract sponsors, remember that you're building a relationship. So look for a business whose values align with your audience or club philosophy. Step 2 is making contact with a potential sponsor. There are several things to consider. These conversations can take a long time. Allow up to 6 months to turn first contact into a fruitful relationship. Don't just send an email asking for money. No one likes responding to an email that begins, "To whom it may concern." Try to contact a real person within the business. And once you've provided a very brief explanation of who you are, turn the focus to them. This is where your research will come in handy. Explain what you love about their business and why that business is a great fit for your club and its followers. Step 3 is demonstrating value. Note that we still haven't asked for money. Explain what it is about your club that will make this relationship worthwhile. And if possible, provide examples of past activities that have been successful. If this is your first sponsor, demonstrate how the community might be interested in the business's products, or, just as an example, how your female-skewed social media following could provide a new range of customers for your potential sponsor. Step 4 is figuring out what kind of sponsorship would be appropriate. It's tempting to simply offer a basic sponsorship package of bronze, silver, or gold and leave it there. But businesses don't always want to give away money. Think outside the box. Your club may be sharing facilities or playing at a local school. All this makes it very challenging to put up signage or plaster a sponsor's name on the wall. So what's the alternative? Social media is a great option. If you're a club that plays every week and has means to record your games, you could upload highlights to social media and have a business sponsor a goal of the month. Or, if this is unrealistic for your club, consider asking a sponsor to be part of a one-off event. Perhaps a local pub or coffee shop could host a viewing party for an important match, like a cup final. Tickets could be sold and a percentage of profits could go to your club. Alternatively, you could ask a sponsor to donate goods or services. A food business could provide food for your match day canteen, or a rental car company could help with vehicles for travel to away games. These are just examples. But challenge yourself to think more broadly than just X amount of money for their logo on your website. So, you've done your research, made contact, highlighted your value, and decided on a method of sponsorship. But you're not done. The final step is maintenance. If your club is able to, have an individual or committee dedicated to sponsorship. Focusing the responsibility will allow them time to build relationships, do the time-consuming research, and record key data for the future. Getting a sponsor for your club is just one of the many ways to ensure success on and off the field. If you're looking for a bit more guidance, check out our other club resources or our videos on profit and loss statements, balance sheets, gross profit, and many more in our Business Basics playlist.